The camera shakes slightly as the boots crunch gravel, the wind howling softly in the background, trees rustling, and the sound of distant water growing louder with each step. We're at the edge of the world, or at least that's how it feels. This is Cliff Jumping POV, a raw, pulse-pounding ride where we follow adventurers as they throw fear into the wind and dive headfirst into the unknown. Our journey starts at dawn, mist still rising from the surface of a hidden mountain lake, the kind that looks like it belongs on a postcard, silent, pristine, and icy cold. The first jumper straps on the GoPro, breathes deeply, and mutters, "All right, let's fly." With a sprint and a scream, they leap from a 30-foot ledge, and we follow, free-falling with a rush of air, the ground disappearing behind, the splash jarring yet refreshing. Cut to slow motion. Droplets fly, the lake explodes beneath, and for a moment, time stops. Welcome to the most thrilling adventure you'll experience without leaving your screen. We head next to a canyon in Rishikesh, India. The cliffs here are ancient, carved by time and stories. Locals say this river once swallowed a king's chariot. Today, it swallows fear. Our second jumper, a local free diver, tells us it's not about danger. It's about listening to the wind, to your body, to the rocks beneath your feet. The camera rolls as he jumps backward off the ledge with a perfect flip, landing like a dart in turquoise waters. Then comes the team from Brazil, 3 friends chasing adrenaline across continents. Their cliff is wild, 80 feet tall, and surrounded by lush green jungle. As the drone captures an overhead shot, we see how small they are against nature's grand design. One of them, Lucas, says, "I do this because I want to feel alive. Really alive." The POV shows his shaking hands, his deep breath, and the sheer drop. He yells, "Viva!" and vanishes over the edge. You hear the rush. You feel your stomach drop. The water welcomes him like a roaring applause. Transition to Norway, fjords slicing through cliffs like knife edges. It's raining slightly, making everything slick. The jumpers here wear neoprene suits, their breath visible in the cold air. One girl, Emma, climbs a narrow ridge while narrating. This spot is called Valkyrie's Dive.